Hello, good morning, sweeties. How are you? I hope that you are all fine. Today is Tuesday, 9th of March 2021. Today, inshallah, sweeties, as you see in your pupils book, we have a new unit, okay? Unit 6, which title is Changes in Nature. Okay, تغيرات في الطبيعة. Here we will start with our new unit in reading lesson. Okay, and if you notice here in your pupils book on page 64 and 65, our reading lesson for today is a poem. اوكي في عنا شعر. اوكي درسنا القراءة اليوم عبارة عن poem شعر. اوكي for today just I want from you to practice reading okay these poems. بس بدي إياكي نتدرب على قراءة ولفظ الكلمات, the pronunciation of new words. Okay sweeties, just I will practice with you now how we can read the poems in our lesson. Okay, now reading amazing changes. Okay, what is it? It's small and white under the leaf, out of sight. It looks like a seed. It isn't a seed. It's an egg. It will grow. What will it be? Do you know? Look at it now. It's long and round. It's eating the leaf, but not making a sound. It looks like a worm. It isn't a worm. It's a caterpillar. So, what will come next? Do you know? What is it now? It looks old and dry, brown and shiny, hanging up high. It looks like a leaf. It isn't a leaf. It's a pupa. And yes, it will change, but how? Can you guess? Look, what's this? There is a tiny head and crumpled wings of yellow and red. It's a butterfly. Yes, a beautiful insect with colors that glow, from an egg to a butterfly. You saw it grow. Okay, on page 65 we will continue with the dragonfly. The dragonfly larva is a terrifying beast with pinching claws and snapping jaws, looking for a feast. When the dragonfly appears from the larva's ugly skin, its wings are wide and delicate. Its body is long and thin. There is a flash of brilliant color as it flies across the water like a jewel on the crown of an emperor's daughter. The bird of paradise. This is the bird of paradise. Can you believe it? It doesn't look nice, but this funny little chick will be a bird of paradise. It will spread its golden wings and show its feathers like a fan and nobody will guess how this amazing bird began. So, as you notice, and as I read before, our reading lesson is a, a poem, okay? شعر. Now, I want from each one of you sweeties to practice reading because we have many new words here and you should know the pronunciation of each words. And tomorrow, inshallah, we will start discussing the poems. Okay, have a nice day, sweeties.